guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Miriam. So I'm showing you guys some really quick, inexpensive Christmas gift ideas. This is the first one I'm doing. I want to do kind of like several videos for you guys since Christmas is coming up, just giving you guys ideas on a couple of things that you can make as gifts that are inexpensive but will still appear to be, glamorous and still presentable. So this is the first one of the series. It's a glamorous vase, and I'm just going to show you guys how you can make that using Dollar Tree items.